Okay, so it's basically done now. I've managed to get it back together with a notched out bit in the wrist there, matching the original piece. And so I've got twisting motion in the wrist there, as well as the up and down for the hand there. So it's all pretty good, really. All I need to do now is get these rods better fit and cut them to length, all that type of thing. Everything's really sort of friction fit here. There's no glue involved, so it's just a question of getting things snug, but not so tight that you're going to split in the thing. And everything should be fine. So here's that little notched out bit. And sort of job you can pretty much do with very simple tools. I've just used a couple of little chisels and mostly a knife, really. So there it is. Very nice little job. So I'll just colour this out with a bit of stain so we don't see the new wood there. I used maple in the end. I couldn't find the beech until just now. So anyway, it's going to be fine, I think. So there it is. Mannequin close to restored, but I'm still not sure. I think I'll speak to the customer and see if she wants me to go to the lengths of fixing the fingers. Anyway, that's a job for another day, I think. So there it is. I'm pretty pleased with it, really. Cheers then. See you later.